Okay, so to install MultiMC, first you want to go up here. So you type multimc.org, or you can just search for MultiMC. So then click the first one. So both of these just go here, so I'm going to exit this one. Then you scroll down to the download and install tab, and then you can pick one of each. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click this one. And now I can put it in downloads. So I'm going to just, I'm going to just make this 1, because I've already installed it, but yeah. And then that's that. It just takes you, just removes the link, it adds this thing here. So this is just a little screenshot showing what you can do in here. Yeah, so it's nice. You want to open this, and then inside there's a folder called MultiMC, which is just a bunch of stuff, right? So you want to take this, and you want to extract it. So now there should be a folder up here, yeah. And then you just go and you run multimc.exe. And MultiMC quick setup. I'm English, so I click American English, American. And then you just Java. And then minimum, maximum. We'll crank this up a little bit. 2048. I have a lot of memory. And then next. Sure. And then finish. And so now you have MultiMC. Now you can add an account. So we'll just click add. And now you sign in. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly just do that. And so now I've signed in, and you just click close. You see now it's got the right account here. So now what you want to do is add an instance, and then import from zip, and then you're going to want to go here and go to this one, which is dodecabyte.com/rlcraft.zip, and copy the link, and then you can import and you put it right here, and then you name it RLCraft, or whatever you want really, but I'm going to name it that. And then I'm going to click OK, and it's downloading it. And when it's done, it'll be fully imported. So this will take a minute. It'll take a very long minute because it's like my internet's like bad right now. I don't know why. But yeah. Okay, well, while this spins, I'm going to show you how to do it without the MultiMC. So there are 2 ways to do it. One is this one, where you just click it and it will open it up, and you can download a zip file. which should download pretty quickly, and then the other one is that, but I don't really need this because I already have it, so I'll just cancel. Because in here, I actually have the zips already. I did. Yeah. Here. Yeah, so the zips should be in here, yep. So I'll just quickly move these out to download so it looks like as if you just downloaded them. So this is what it would be like if you just downloaded them. Once they move, obviously. And MultiMC is almost done, okay. So you have this, the zips. Oh, it's done, okay. So this is basically it. You can edit the instance, you can see it's all in there. LVGAGL, Minecraft, Forge, and then you have the loader mods here. No core mods. Resource packs are right here. Those are just the default ones. Notes, worlds, servers is already in there, but this should be changed. Actually, this shouldn't be localhost. Oh well. Should be. It should be the IP, but yeah. And then there's screenshot settings, the logs, all that. It's all here, so that's that. So that's all good. You can just launch it and it will go. So now it'll download a little more stuff, and that's fine. But for those of you that do not have a any of the mods installed yet and aren't using this, you just go to the mods full zip, or the mods zip as it was called, and you just copy everything. And then you go to .minecraft, which I've pinned here, and you can just go to your mods folder. This one actually already has stuff in it, so I'll just hold, and then I'll make a new mods folder, new folder, mods. So that's that, and then I'll go in here, and I'll just dump all the mods here, and if you already have Forge 1.12, this is basically all you have to do. You just paste the mods and it's just there. So that's good. Yeah. And then this is still downloading because I've never actually run this instance before, so it has to download Minecraft as the actual jar before it can launch. But this is all the mods, so just go to Minecraft launcher. And then I can select. I don't actually have Forge 1.12, so that's interesting because I've just used MultiMC for it. But you just select. You'd say just select Forge 1.12, whatever it's called. This is not the right one, and you just hit play and it would work. So that's that. In here, it's still getting the asset files. And now it's done, and it will launch. So over here, it should pick up soon. It'll take a minute, but you see now it's opened up. So this is not important. You can just click through it because you haven't had any single player worlds, and on my server I've already taken care of that. Then you go to multiplayer and you can edit it and change it. I already changed it in the launcher, but you'd have to change it, and then you can join it. And it doesn't have like my weird keybinds or anything. It's all default because I fixed it. So yeah, this is where I last logged in, and as you can see, jeez, whoa. Well, I don't know why it's not rendering, but these things just render what's inside of them once you open them once. So these are all like, jeez. It's a lot of junk. It's a lot. That's seriously a lot of stuff. And then these ran out of, yes, this ran out of nether stars. Okay, just control click it to turn on the give. And then star. Boop. Just take some stacks of nether stars and put them in here. And that thing will start pulling them in and turning these on, and the quarries will pick up again in a minute. Yeah, 6144 blocks to break, but still, they don't, like, maybe they can't break obsidian, I don't know, but, yeah, basically. Also, this might actually be half decent for a mob farm, because these cause the weather effect. Also, these come with Optifine, so all of this is all there. And then you can do shaders, and I already added BSL, Chocopic, and Silder's Light. So you can do Silder's Light, and it basically looks really good. And also you can like see everything. You still can't see chunk borders, so that one's still broken, but yeah, it does work. And all the rendering and everything works. So the reason why these were going when I was offline was because I used a chunk loading warp, which basically loads the chunk you're putting in all the time. So it's like a permaloader, and the water looks really terrible in this because it's like just terrible, but Silder Slide is supposed to be incredibly lightweight, so yeah, it just doesn't look that good compared to my normal shaders, but yeah. So also, you guys don't have any game sounds. Okay, that's fine. But anyway, yeah, so this works. Well, the new MultiMC instance has everything. So I'm just going to close this because this isn't actually my main install of MultiMC. I installed it again. But yeah, normally you'd export this to where you want to keep all of your instances. Because all the instances are actually kept in here. So you have all the stuff in here. You could actually add anything you wanted yourself. So if you really wanted to, you could create a flat 1.12 instance and just paste the mods in here, but this already has it all, so that's good. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically it. I should install Forge, shouldn't I, just to show how to do it? Yeah, I should. Okay, so you go to Forge. I got this here. So files Minecraft Forge, Maven.net, Minecraft Forge, Forge index 1.12.2 HTML. And then you download the recommended one. Just skip this. And it will give you that. And I'll put the download link in the description. And then once you have this, so this just goes there. Just directly down the zip without the add wall. You just double click this. And it launches. Install client. And then you pick your Minecraft. You hit OK. And it's downloading libraries and all that, and it will go in. and then it will have done that. You hit OK. Then you go to Minecraft launcher, right? And there's a new instance right here, Forge 1.12.2. Then in my mods folder, which is, this should be the right one, no? Yeah, no, this is actually the wrong one. That's my other account. Here, and then here we have a mods folder, yes, which is actually fabric. So going to change this to mods fabric, and make a new mods folder. And I'll just dump all the mods in here and launch it, and it'll work, hopefully. Okay, well, I'm just okay. Downloads, mods full. Okay, see. Boop. You gotta be kidding me. That's annoying. Okay. So now that they're all here, you can just... Okay. I understand the risks. Play. And you see it quit the launcher, and now Minecraft should pop up in a moment. Here we are. Traverse. That's interesting. Did I miss one? I think I missed a few. But the instance has everything, so. If you really just, like, no. You can just go to... The mods are broken, okay. Copy. Beep. Here, just download it. Just open it up and copy the mods from there if you want. Or you could just go to the MultiMC instance, which I actually have here. MultiMC. And then, instances. And then I have this here, and Minecraft, and mods, and here's everything. Just copy this all. I'm not going to want these two because those are my actual downloads. And just move them over to here. Minecraft, and then mixing out mods. But first of all, this will be changed. And then mods, and then paste. And moving 128 items, and it will move some of them, and then it will just do whatever. Skip these files, and then it'll be done. And then you can do Minecraft launcher. And then this should work now. Yeah, anyway.